today, guys, we're going on a scary road trip. Right?
Yes.
There's a dumb one. I hate this. Why we have... Did you force me to do this?
No. Bakit ako yung nagkaganto? Wait lang.
Come on.
Ayusin ito.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
There. Oh, ayun pala.
We're going on a first person since it's supposed to be in there. Right, Summer? I need to drop this.
Cannot reach. Scissor.
I got it.
Bruh, who is this? Is this ugly? Hello?
Look how ugly it is. Go on first person.
Wow.
You.
Hala.
Excuse me.
Please, let's patch it.
Where are we going? Oh, here.
Let's work together.
Where should we go?
Ayan.
Wait.
Mag-jump ka baka meron ng hulog. Siyempre.
Press the button on the red rocks to unlock the platforms. Alright, I read it. You have to press that thing.
Wait, teamwork ba ito?
Nope.
Oh.
You have to press it on your own.
Grabe, meron pa emotions.
Okay.
Emotion and damage. Ayoko tong blood. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Look how ugly that statue is.
Weh.
I don't want to go on first person.
Don't worry, I'm going.
Because it's scary. I hate when it's scary. Find and throw 3 green orbs down the ramp to open the portal. Okay, this is it. Alright, we need to find more orbs.
Orbs. Ayun, no? O sana meron dito, work together.
Oh, that's to reset the orbs. Oh. No! Damn it! I hate myself. Putting you back. I'm gonna
Bro, what is
reset.
this?
I need to reset.
What is this?
You need to find all 3 orbs, Summer.
Agab. Ano to? Whoa! Where am I? Find the button and press it.
Where
to
are you?
Open. Natapos na ako eh.
Oh. I'm bad. You just leave your friend alone. That's fine. I'll be right there.
Die. I die. What should I do?
I'm gonna bring this orb
Oh,
with me.
I know. Ate Pe.
What? There's only 20% on my one, so I'm bringing the orb with me. Yep, I bring the orb.
Ate Pe, dito
What?
ka. Taas ka dito. Sa likod mo. Sa likod mo. Uy, hindi mo kita.
Kita. Can you see me brought the green orb?
hindi ko kita. Kailangan mo talaga mag-parkour.
Really?
Oh, hindi ako nagbibiro.
Billie Eyelash?
Ah,
Which way?
I'm stuck.
Look at me. I'm bringing the orb with me. Where are we going? You lead the way. Up. I'm stuck. Summer, I have to let the orb go. Goodbye, orb. The orb has no color.
Is it electric? Ah, it's still electric. Where's
You have to wait for the drain.
Oh. My bad.
Oh, it's open.
Tulong! Ating painting naman sa likod.
Me, I'm obsessed with this.
With
Summer,
who?
I have an idea. I'm gonna drop my orb down there.
What? Why?
Aww!
You silly dummy.
Shut up. At least I can go on. Are you on first person?
What?
I'm following you.
I always the jump because
Guys,
who knows?
Do you like this scary obby? Like the video?
What?
Open the gate!
Iba
What's
to.
in there?
Oh, it's fine. Oh, Ate Pe.
Oh, heck nah! You have to run from it?
Yes.
Can you wait for me?
Cannot wait. I'm gonna die.
When you're at the end. Oh man, I wish I could skip.
Fruits. I'll wait you.
Oh nah! I don't want to do it.
Sige,
I'm scared.
Hirap ito.
Hindi sa first person ka. Oh, let's hide mo. Oh, go.
Please. I'm gonna throw this in the trash, okay? Okay, let this put up me. Kung sana nag-ready ka.
I'm sweating.
Okay. I'm done. Hello, Ate Pe.
Hi. You've been waiting for me. Oh, what's this?
Hello, Pe.
Oh! Summer.
What?
If you go on the first person and went to this wall,
Oh.
you'll see something.
Oh. Oh, we need this. Object.
Oh, what's that? We can carry these.
Uy, pangalan ito Jerry. Oh, that's why.
Huh?
That's why we need. Because you know, namamatay ka dyan, i-drop mo yan. And kuha ka pa.
I have this.
So tell me.
I just fall down.
What can I say?
What's regen? Oh, regen.
Oh, that's why.
Let's get a chair. Got a chair.
You little
Freak. What should I do? Oh, we have to press that button.
see.
What happened?
Little.
Oh. So we have to get stuff and put it over there. I need to go in first person.
Bro, I am dying.
Jump. That's not higher. Alright, done. Get this thing. I think I'm gonna put that there for later. Summer?
What? What, Ate Faye?
There's something up there.
What?
Up there.
Where?
There. There's like a button.
Oh, ayun lang pala.
If we just press regen. Excuse me. We've been failing and we are such a dum-dum. Right, Summer?
Yep, we're such a dum-dum.
We didn't know what to do. Can I jump? Yep. What happened? I just...
Wait, itest ko kung no.
Okay.
Oh, I did not die. This all the time. We have to do this.
I want to bring the chair.
Ako, i-bring ko.
Let's bring something. Summer, I want to bring the bucket.
Hey, ako din. Ako nag-bring din. What do you mean? Mag-bring ka ng iba.
I want the toolbox.
This is horrible, Ate Faye.
Why?
Can we do this?
Trying to get something from the toolbox, but nothing.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to grab anything. Can I grab this? I don't want to grab the bucket.
Bye. I'll miss you.
No, I'm not gonna bring anything. Can you just wait for me?
Okay, pag nandito na ako.
Bakit?
Muntikan ako nahulog. Kaya nag-gap ako.
Where's the bucket you
Oh,
have?
bro. Nothing. Muntikan na ako.
Did you left it?
Oh, hindi ako nakaano.
That's why I didn't bring anything.
Ate Faye,
Yes.
dapat nang ready ka dito.
Okay.
Hindi ako ready.
I hate obbies like this. Why do I even pick this obby?
Oh, Kizil.
Where am I? Fine and hell nah.
Oh, yari.
I'm scared. That ugly thing. What is that? Is that is gonna open her eyes?
Hindi.
Are you sure?
Oh,
I'm scared.
so such a crybaby. Oh my God!
Okay.
I want to carry.
What happened?
Stuck ako.
Stuck?
Wala, stuck ako.
Ah. What's this button? Is that a button or light?
Originate. Wait, pwede ba ako mag-ano sa ano mo? Nakaka-stand ako ba sa'yo? Oh, I cannot. She was a fairy. Tingnan mo ako.
She was a fairy and she couldn't go down.
She
Holy God.
Oh, she was a fairy.
Look at me now.
Okay, wait.
She was a fairy. Ow.
I'm ready. Bye. I'm taking away this one.
Really? Me too.
Mahirap yan kanina ko pa.
What?
She saved me. Look at me.
Kala ko nabuksan niya yung eyes niya dyan. I'm scared. What even is that?
Tingnan mo ko. Tingnan mo ko.
He was a fairy. Boom! I'm back with this creep. What happens if we get to the end?
I don't know.
She will open her eyes.
Nah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Let me see. Nope. Di niya na-open yung eyes niya. Na-open lang ito.
Oh.
Bro, another one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro.
I'm scared.
I'm
shaking.
Don't be scary cat. Scared cat.
Why?
Nahulog ako.
Why did you fall?
I don't know.
Target caught. Goodbye.
What?
Where am I?
Hello, Ate Faye.
Oh, damn. That's a baby creep.
I'm suffering.
Me too.
Ate Faye. What? I'm going to the next one. Asan yung ano ko? Hey, why did you do that?
What do you mean?
Binaba mo yung block ko.
It wasn't me. I was shaking. Now, I am not in the first person. I'm not shaking.
Find the key. Hidden.
Summer, I'm making it up to the obby. Did you already make it to the obby?
Oh, tapos na ako.
I hate myself. Sorry.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo, Ate Faye. There. Now,
What's that sound?
what? What sound?
The sound that who make that sound?
Me.
Why would you make that sound? That creeped me out.
What the? Stay away! Hala, na-drop ko yung ano ko.
Box?
Oh.
Oh. Sabi.
Oh, God.
Sama.
What? Oh, God.
I don't think I'm ready for that. Find the key hidden inside one of the boxes. In the office after that, unlock the Summer, who's chasing you? The baby? The doll? Oh.
Ah, my God! Ah!
Summer? Summer, I don't want to play anymore.
Sabi mo, nakakatakot eh.
After this, let's play Betty's Nursery.
Oh my God.
Why?
I escaped.
Where did you escape? Can you help me?
Sige.
I don't know. I cannot run because I'm scared. I think I need to pee.
Okay. Ito na naman, AFK mo muna ako. Did you find the key? Ate Faye?
What? Oh, what? No, I didn't find any keys.
Ayun. Charger, sinasabi mo. Parang ako lang dito ano. Inaano ko lang para sa'yo. Oh my God. First things first. I go here. And here. And here. Not there. Pawis na dito.
Are you okay? Bakit ka pawis?
Dahil sa'yo. Ayaw mo laruin.
At least naglalaro ko ng rest of the part of the office.
Grabe, ito. Hala, nag-ghost touch ito. Ayoko na ito.
Okay.
Mamay, lobat na ako dito. Pawis na nga yung kamay ko eh. Where? So, not that. I give up. Already. Pawis na yung kamay ko dahil sa'yo. Ako lang gagawa. Alam mo nangyari sa akin? Pawis na ako. I don't want to skip. Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. Mag-ready ka eh.
Alright, let's see. Why?
This is the best part.
Parkour.
Drink. Already drink it. Wow! Bakit ako hindi nakaano? Oh, kala ko ano.
Hi. What's this? Find the hidden keys inside one of the boxes in the office. After that, unlock the door with the exit sign. Is that the run again?
Hindi. Magpaparkour ka lang.
Oh.
Ako muna yung una bago ikaw, Scary Cat. Kala ko
I
ano,
hate myself.
patakbo ito. Ayun pala, hindi.
Blink the mysterious soda that gives you super speed. Escape this place.
Bruh?
What kind of logo did you...
Wow! No.
What's that sound?
Namatay ako sa ano, bear trap.
Oh.
Pili.
That's the way I
Bilis!
live life.
Go, go, go! 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 Go, go! Goes! Go! Ang tagal mo!
Boing, boing,
I swear.
boing.
I swear. Mag-concentrate ka. Meron dito mga bear traps. Okay, I'm good.
Why I keep forgetting to jump? I'm such a dummy.
Oh no, you have to defeat your
Oh.
friend. Drink the
Summer does
Let's go to other game.
Why?
Hindi yun yung bacon. Girl, binasa ko lang. Sinabi niya. Lisa mo.
Yung
Hala.
sinabi niya.
I guess I'm defeating by myself.
I like
Oh,
Barry
God.
Spikes.
Pwesa na.
Ano check it?
Bruh, this is cheating. I don't have anything. Ano ba to? This is so not easy.
Oh my god, go. Let's go to another game. Kasi so hard yung ano, diba? Ay, die!
Bruh.
Summer, if you win, we're gonna play a different game again. Since you win.
Bruh, I'm gonna die. Die. Oh my, kailangan ko ng ano, assistant. Even.
This is why you need to turn this hobby into a little bit cuter.
Yung ayaw ko sa kanya ay yung ano, nag-jump. You have to die. You have to die. Because I hate you so much. You have to die so badly. This is so bad. You're so stupid. sorry. I'm sorry. I just... oh, Scotty. Yes, sir.
Is that them?
I don't know. Where's the bus?
If you...
Ayun, yes, sir. Kailangan ko pa ikaw tulungan para ano.
Come on.
Ito na lang. Okay, ito. Tingnan mo yung ano, ending.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir.
Not time to go to
Ate
Betty's
Pay.
nursery.
Ate Pay.
What?
What the?
defeat
ko, yay! Yuhuu! Bukas kayo? Si Ate Pay, scary cat. Scary doll. Uwi na tayo, Ate Pay. Uwi na tayo.
Okay, that's for today.
Uwi
guys.